Now I am going to explain you the equations of motion for uniformly accelerated motion. Number 1, V is equal to U plus AT. Students, you are already familiar with these equations. You have done in 9th standard. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, T is the time taken. Number 2, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is the displacement covered. Number 3, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Fourth one is new for you. Nth means displacement covered in particular nth second is equal to U plus A upon 2 within a bracket 2n minus 1. N is the nth second. Now come to proof. You know that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. A is equal to V minus U upon T. Cross multiply it. AT is equal to V minus U, or V is equal to U plus AT. It's very easy. Number 2, second proof. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. You know that average velocity is equal to net displacement upon time taken. Now we will use the symbols. V average is equal to displacement is S upon time is T. Average velocity can be written as initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. We can find out the average of two numbers like this is equal to S by 2. From equation 1, we know that V is equal to U plus AT. Now here, in place of V, write down U plus AT. Plus U by 2 is equal to S upon T. Now cross multiply it. U plus U, 2U plus AT, then within a bracket T is equal to S. 2U by 2UT by 2 plus AT square by 2. 2 null 2 cancel. You will get S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now come to the proof of third equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. You already done. Average velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Average velocity can be written as V plus U by 2 is equal to S by T. Cross multiplying, V plus U by 2 into T is equal to S. Now in place of T, you know that V minus U upon T is equal to A. It can be written as T is equal to V minus U upon A. Here, in place of T, write down V minus U upon A. Now apply the formula here. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Now it will be V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Now come to the proof of fourth equation, that is Snth is equal to U plus A by 2 into 2n minus 1. Listen to me carefully. Suppose an object starts from point O and reaches point A. Suppose the total time is T. At any time, the object is at this point. Suppose this point is P. And after 1 second, it reaches at point Q. We are going to find out the distance between P to Q. Suppose from O to P, object covers distance Sn minus 1. Suppose the time is 10 seconds. And then from O to Q, the time is 11 seconds. We are going to calculate the distance, in particular that 11th second, only 1 second, 11th second, that is from 10 second to 11 second. Here I mentioned T is equal to n minus 1. at point Q, T is equal to N. From O to P, the distance is given by S, N minus 1. From O to Q, the distance is Sn. You know the second equation of motion. Total time is T. S is equal to ut plus half at square. When T is equal to N minus 1, in place of T, put N minus 1. Sn minus 1 is equal to U into N minus 1 plus half A into N minus 1 square. Similarly, distance covered in the n seconds, un plus half an square. Now, displacement covered in particular nth second means Sn minus 1. Sn minus Sn minus 1. You will get that distance PQ, that is Snth. In place of Sn, put un plus half an square. In place of Sn minus 1, put u within a bracket n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square. Now, solve it. U common from both these terms. N minus sign change हो जाएगा plus 1 plus half a common from both these terms. N square minus n minus 1 whole square. Cancel out n. You will get u plus half a. Apply the formula for a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. You will get Snth is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Thank you.